started Team Tucker 5.5 years ago when Tucker passed away. So there are some kids here that knew Tucker, but every year that passes, our team of Team Tucker grows, and now the majority of kids didn't personally meet Tucker, but they're inspired by Tucker.
He was always funny, and he always wanted to talk and meet new people. He was just like always ready for anything.
I'd say he was an overall really nice kid, and he was super athletic, so super fun too.
What I love about today is that it's a chance for all of us to remember Tucker's spirit and how much he loved to get together with kids and play.
He definitely loved the opportunity to bring anyone together just to have fun and play sports. So this is a great opportunity to do just that.
Let's go. Go ahead, guys.
We found sled hockey through social media and just knowing other kids with conditions like Austin and what they had for offerings in their areas where they lived.
You're out there with people who are so similar to you, and they're not like people that you would meet in like school where everybody's mostly upright whenever they play sports. And these are people that you can like physically relate to and emotionally through the game of hockey.
Guys, are you glad he's out here? All right. Yes, we want everyone to come from all over. That's what Tucker wants. So thanks for coming out.
Thank you for having me.
Yep.
I see just a lot of kids playing and laughing. I think our Tucker's VIP program is growing, where we help very important patients. Any kid battling a life-threatening disease, we get your team by your side. We fly people in or drive them in. Tucker wanted every kid that was battling a disease to never be alone. My team behind Team Tucker is amazing. It's one of a kind. One of the things, besides the fact that they're great, generous people with big hearts, now I love that 5 years into this nonprofit, there's probably over half of them that didn't meet Tucker personally. They just believe in our mission and helping kids and watching kids have a great time. So I'm grateful to them. They help me continue my son's legacy.